The ground suddenly cracked rapidly during the earthquake in Palu, Indonesia. The girl seemed very calm, but the cat did not. The ground kept rising and falling, very lively.
Oh my gosh! This is a bad idea to be on this boat!
The moment a powerful 7.1 magnitude earthquake caused the boats carrying tourists to rock on the Xochimilco River, just north of Mexico.
Jesus, no, oh my God, Lord, Jesus Christ,
Footage shows the moment a 6.9 magnitude earthquake struck the Philippines, causing a massive sea bridge to shake violently and sending several motorcyclists tumbling to the ground. Nature's power strikes without warning. Road cracked into hundreds of pieces due to earthquake landslide occurred in Myanmar. So terrible, the damage was so heavy. Truly terrifying. Devastating landslide hits Peru after days of heavy rain, covering an area of 30 hectares. Over 100 buildings destroyed, including a school and a hospital. Miraculously, no injuries reported, but dozens of families lost their homes and belongings. High-rise buildings shook violently during the 7.0 magnitude earthquake in Thailand in March 2025, causing record damage in the country. Heart-stopping footage from China shows nurses shielding newborns during a powerful earthquake, holding them tight, even as the ground shook and they fell. Instinct, courage, and love, all in one moment. Did you hear the scream? It was terrifying at the moment the earthquake struck suddenly, shaking violently in Japan. They were panicking. People were running. Buildings were shaking and statues were collapsing as the 7.6 magnitude earthquake struck Japan. Filmed by a survivor in Tibet, this footage captures the terrifying start of the 8.1 earthquake centered in Nepal. Chaos, screams, and buildings collapsing like paper towers.
照相，限速40公里。
Dashcam footage shows the terrifying moment a 7.4 magnitude earthquake hit Taiwan. Rocks crashed down the mountain as drivers tried to escape. One car wasn't so lucky, struck by a falling boulder and crushed against a wall.
前方区间测速路段，速限50公里。
On March 28th, a strong 7.7 magnitude earthquake shook Myanmar. When an earthquake hits, the safest response is to leave your home or building immediately and move to an open area, away from anything that might collapse. Earthquake footage in supermarket in Trinidad with magnitude 7.3. It caused all the shelves to fall to the floor. Luckily, the people escaped safely. Before the storm, the sky is usually very calm. Video recorded the scene of the ground storming horribly during the 7.7 magnitude earthquake in Myanmar.
Oh my god! Oh! 地震！哎呦我操！
I was shocked to see a high-rise building shaking violently during the 7.7 magnitude earthquake in Thailand in March 2025, causing record damage. A bridge collapsed, breaking into a zigzag shape during a 6.8 magnitude earthquake in Taiwan that occurred on September 18th. A powerful earthquake in Taiwan triggered a tsunami, pushing boats and ships violently toward the shore. Moments like this remind us how small we are. The moment a massive 9.0 magnitude earthquake and tsunami struck Sendai Airport in Japan, unleashing unimaginable destruction. Close-up of the upcoming monster, this is the terrible 7.6 magnitude earthquake that hit Japan. Everything shook very hard, extremely scary.